Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
UK crude shipments to Europe in April hit their highest level since Congress lifted the ban on exports of domestic oil 6 years ago. The US sent 48.8 million barrels of oil to Europe last month. The euro was flat, holding close to a 5-year low against the US dollar ahead of a speech from European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde. The dollar fell just below a 20-year high. The Securities and Exchange Commission announced that it will be expanding the crypto assets and cyber unit by nearly double, aiming to bolster protection of cryptocurrency investors from cyber-related threats.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT, Germany's trade balance at 0600 GMT, Germany's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.